Hi friends, I wish you a very happy new year. May you all are having great time in the month of Jan. Well, this video is about NALLAMALLA forest. Why I really love uh, being there pretty most often times. Well, it's a vast and scenic forest area located in the southern part of India, primarily spanning across the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It is one of the largest and most important forest regions in the country, covering over 1500 square kilometers. The forest lies along the Eastern Ghats mountain range, which is known for its diverse ecosystems and rich biodiversity. NALLAMALLA forest is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. The forest consists of dense woods, tall trees, and thick undergrowth, creating a perfect habitat for wildlife. The area is known for its population of wild animals like tigers, leopards, sloth bears, wolves, and various species of deer. It also has several species of birds, reptiles, and insects that thrive in its natural environment. One of the key features of the NALLAMALLA forest is its importance in preserving endangered species and promoting biodiversity conservation. The NALLAMALLA Tiger Reserve, located within the forest, is dedicated to the protection of tigers and other wildlife species. I have been there and I had a great time. Every time, it's a wonderful experience. The forests, rivers, and streams provide a crucial water source for the animals, and the forest's lush greenery plays a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region. In addition to its wildlife, the forest is rich in cultural and historical significance. The Sri Shailam Sanctuary and the Sri Shailam Temple, located within the forest, attracts many visitors every year. The forest is also known for its scenic beauty, making it a popular spot for the eco-tourism and adventure activities like trekking and wildlife safaris. Overall, the NALLAMALLA forest is an important natural heritage, not only for its wildlife and plants, but also for its role in environmental conservation and tourism. And my suggestion while you go there are to visit the Patala Ganga and Istakameshwari Ammovar temple, for which you need to book the tickets a day before. Yeah, it will be in the dense forest. You will have to drive. The tourism is properly set up for entering into the forest. You need to book the tickets a day before. Yeah, and the temple is any which ways where you need to book the Sparsha Darshanam if you want to touch the Maha Sivalinga, right? And you have Shakti Peetam also besides the main temple too of Ammavar. Yeah. So hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe, and enjoy watching the video. Thank you. Take care.
సిద్ధరామేశ్వరుడు అనే ఒక మహాభక్తుడు శివుడి కోసం తపస్సు చేసి చేసి ఎదురు చూసి చూసి ఇంకా ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఆత్మయత్నం చేయబోయి దూకాడనమాట ఇక్కడి నుంచి. అప్పుడు ఆ మహాశివుడు ప్రత్యక్షమయ్యి తనని కాపాడి కాపాడిన ప్రదేశం అని చెప్తా ఉంటారు. ఈవెన్ ఇక్కడ మనకి పోస్టర్ కూడా ఉంటుంది, బట్ కనిపించదు సరిగ్గా. బట్ యా ఐల్ ట్రై టు షో యూ. సిద్ధరామేశ్వరుడు నదిలో దూకుతుండగా శివుడు రక్షించిన ప్రదేశం. అలా అన్నమాట. శ్రీశైలం మల్లికార్జున స్వామి ఆలయం.